Welcome to the heart of Temecula, California, your go-to guide for everything related to tractor repair in Temecula. Understanding the importance of tractor maintenance, why tractor maintenance is not just important, but absolutely essential. Regular maintenance can prevent costly breakdowns, extend the lifespan of your tractor, and ensure it operates at peak efficiency. Identifying common tractor problems, simple maintenance needs like oil changes and filter replacements, to more complex issues such as transmission problems, hydraulic leaks, or engine failures. Finding reliable tractor repair services in Temecula. How to find a trustworthy tractor repair service in Temecula. Look for experienced, knowledgeable technicians who understand the ins and outs of agricultural machinery. Tractor Repair San Diego-Temecula is just such a service. Our mobile repair service comes to you, reducing the downtime and hassle of transporting your tractor to a repair shop. DIY tractor maintenance tips. Here are some do-it-yourself maintenance tips that can help you minimize wear and tear. Regularly check fluid levels. Inspect and replace filters. Keep it clean. Regular tire maintenance. The future of tractor repair in Temecula. Decades of experience doing such repair. The use of mobile and top diagnostic tools helps Tractor Repair San Diego Riverside quickly and accurately diagnose issues and give a proper quote and plan to repair. Conclusion. Tractor maintenance and repair is an integral part of agricultural life in Temecula, California. Taking good care of it means taking good care of your farm. Call 760-201-1609 or go to www.tractorrepairsandiego.com. Temecula. Call 760-201-1609 or go to www.tractorrepairsandiego.com. Temecula. Share this.